Hey guys, I'm taking my dog for a walk. Maybe you can see the traffic lights over there. I chose now to film. I know I have been filming for a little bit, so I just decided to film. And this time not with toys. I decided just to film outside with no toys because, sometimes I don't know if you guys are getting bored of those, so I thought I'd start making some vlogs, some outside vlogs or something. In the summertime, I might start doing stuff with my brother. Maybe delete this channel and make new videos. I don't know if you guys would like that, so like the video if you would. See, sometimes the video might cut out a little bit because my phone's being weird. There's poles and everything. Yeah, so I just don't know if you guys are getting bored of me doing toys. Comment that in the comment section below. Maybe you guys want some new stuff. I don't know, you guys have to tell me or tell us. Buddy, come here. Or maybe you guys have to come here, buddy. Come here. You have to tell me or tell us. Right, buddy? You have to tell me or us as a team, right? Okay, so I'm getting pretty close to my home, and my video might cut out soon, so I'm just gonna, once we get up to the driveway, I'm just gonna stop the video there. Come, buddy, come here. Home. There's cars. Anything you need for a night. Moon's incoming. Our lights on. Everything's good. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the video right here, guys. And we'll see you later. Bye.